Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for Beginners easy method. Open an account, enable 2FA, and fund your wallet to get started. I will walk you through account setup, identity verification, spot trading basics, and simple security tips in plain language. Follow along at your own pace and pause when you need to practice each step with your account interface. By the end, you should feel confident making your first small trade. I will cover the account setup steps and verification process for new users. Start by creating your account with a strong password and enable 2FA for security. Complete identity verification by uploading ID and a selfie to unlock higher limits and fiat features. Link your bank or card to deposit funds and review deposit fees before confirming. Take screenshots of confirmations for your records and keep recovery codes safe, always. We will explain basic trading actions and how to place your first trades on Binance. Use market orders for immediate fills and limit orders to set your entry price and control slippage. Start small and practice with tiny positions to learn order types, fees, and execution differences. Monitor order status in the Orders tab and set simple stop loss to manage downside risk. Review fees and convert small leftover balances using Convert feature when possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.